I was collecting a 6x4 and that man came to me like 3 times. He was asking, are you the driver? Are you sure? Are you the driver? He could not believe I could drive the 6x4.
Y al comienzo tuve problemas con mi papá. Mi papá no quería que yo maneje. Y decía, ¿para qué quiere una mujer carro? Honestamente, yo me siento orgullosa.
Iron Women is a program that we started in Peru. It's aiming at training women to become heavy-duty truck drivers. We believe that there are way too few women in the industry. Women are responsible drivers. Statistically, they are less involved in traffic accidents.
En el país recién se están acostumbrando a ver mujeres en este tipo de rubro.
Ya no vamos a hacer 20 o 100, vamos a hacer muchas, ¿no? Y ya podemos salir adelante, ya no esperar de alguien, sino nosotras mismas.
This lady once said there's an opportunity, her husband works at some company, they want truck drivers. I didn't imagine myself driving a truck, but I went.
When we launched the idea of starting the Iron Women program here in South Africa, we had a lot of women who had heard about it by word of mouth and who were very interested in participating.
I prayed that I get called back because now I wanted to drive bigger trucks. I remember when I got the call, I was driving. I stopped the car. My dad was like, what's going on? I just got the call. I'm going to be a truck driver.
Things have completely changed. Yeah. My last daughter is driving a wonderful thing. I never dreamt about it. In my life, I never dreamt.
I'm sure you must be proud of her, eh?
Highly proud.
We want to leave this world in a better shape for the next generation. And as an employee for Volvo, I'm very proud to work towards that.
I was just an ordinary girl, and to have been given this opportunity by Volvo, I am not just an ordinary woman, I am an Iron Woman.